Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by protecting your project. Make a backup or commit to version control so you can revert if needed. Then open Package Manager and install Universal RP. Choose a release that matches your Unity editor. Once installed, create a Universal Render Pipeline asset and a forward renderer in your assets. This asset defines shaders, lighting settings, and quality behavior. Once done, you'll be ready to assign the pipeline globally. Don't skip asset creation, because it's required for the next step. With the pipeline asset created, assign it in Project Settings Graphics and in each quality level so all scenes use URP. Next, run the Render Pipeline Converter, Edit Render Pipeline Universal Render Pipeline Upgrade Project Materials to automate common material and shader conversions. Some custom or legacy shaders won't convert automatically. Replace those with URP-compatible shaders or rewrite them. Also migrate post-processing into URP volumes and recheck light probes. Now finalize by opening representative scenes and baking lighting so global illumination matches URP's lights. Verify cameras, volumes, and any shader graph materials. Adjust URP lighting intensity and shadow settings to match previous visuals. Test builds on target platforms and profile performance. URP can change draw calls and batching. If you encounter shader compile errors or missing materials, first re-import the affected assets and run the material upgrader again. If problems persist, restore from your backup and diagnose specific custom shaders before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.